Yeah, good morning, everyone. So yesterday, U.S. market remained more of a sideway with uh, in a range, nothing showing any indication of any great up move or down. This was after corrections on the previous day. Uh, Market is in the US awaiting for the job data, which will be released tomorrow, and the Fed will take a clue from that whether they will be increasing interest rate by around 0.25 or 0.5%. And looking at US market, even the Asian markets are more of a flattish to marginally down, and futures of the US market are also marginally down. So more of a waiting period for Fed stand, how it is going to move in coming period. And even if we see the commodity, there again the movement is very limited. Though oil is down by around $1, but other commodities are more of a flattish. So seems like more of a stable or range bound market in today's trade for India as well. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today we expect flattish open, but we saw that yesterday that market bounced back in immediate support and closed above the 17,750. To expect further rally towards 17,800, upside. So today, if Nifty cross 17,800, then we expect further rally towards 17,870, 17,900 in upside. Immediate support place around 17,650. Below that, 17,570, 17,470. So is the range for Nifty is 17,900 upside and 17,550 at downside. Bank Nifty also close above the important support level. So that is Bank Nifty also sustain that important support zone and close above that important. So we expect above 41 750 800. Then we expect towards 42,000 300 in upside. Emoji as next immediate support place 41 380. Below that 4100 for Bank Nifty. So both the index looks positive at current level. Nifty Finance Nifty also trading a positive side, and next immediate resistance 18,500, 18,570, and 18,330 as immediate support, and 18,200 is next immediate support for Nifty Finance. So all three index looks positive at current level. Today's weekly expiry, we expect volatile trade first session, and then we expect further a positive side rally in both the three index. Stock specific power grid looks positive at current level. We already given call and upside target around 338, 340, 240, and support place around 220 at downside. Can Bank looks positive at current level. Next immediate target for 328 and support place around 302. uh, uh, Kotak Bank also trading in a positive side. All private banks looks positive at current level. The next immediate target for 1810 and support place around 1670, 1690 at downside. That's it for technical derivative I can get.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing that yesterday we have seen a major pullback from the supportive level of 17,600 level. Now, if we look at the overall OI position, the spread is like from 17,800 to 18,000 strike. There's a call writer resistance getting formed, while against that we are seeing that heavy root put writer positions are getting added up at 17,700 and 600 strike. So we should create the long position and hold the long position at the support of 17,600 level, while PCR yesterday closed at 1.26 level. After many days, we are seeing that the PCR closed at the positive zone and at the positive range. We expect PCR to stretch on the upper end towards 1.40 to 1.45 level. Currently, India VIX is trading at 12.45 level. Till the time India VIX is trading below 14 level, till that point of time, we might witness some stability in the market. Once if India VIX goes above 14 level, then we might expect some profit booking to be witnessed in the market. Till that point of time, we should hold a long positions. On the reverse end, if we look at the Bank Nifty front, Bank Nifty is currently facing the resistance at 41,700 level on the spot basis. Once if Bank Nifty get clearance at 41,700 level, then we might expect the Bank Nifty will outperform Nifty in the market, because if we look at the overall banking stock also, banking stocks have seen major OI positions getting added up in yesterday's session, in which PSU as a major buyers in yesterday's session. So we expect a PSU to show some strength in today's session also. So if on the stock specific and sectoral specific, we expect banking, realty and cement sector to show some positive strength. Counters from that would be Bank of Baroda and Tata Steel looks positive in this front. So that's it from the direct front. Thank you.
Good morning. Bharat Forge, through its e-mobility subsidiary Kalyani Powertrain, inaugurated its first e-bike manufacturing facility at Chakan, Pune yesterday. The facility has production capacity of 60,000 units per year, scalable up to 1 lakh units. And they will undertake assembly of e-bikes for Torque Motors Private Limited, where the Bharat Forge subsidiary will own 64% stake. This is as of now, this is neutral, and also we have to keep in mind that right now focus of most of the players is on the scooter side, whereas this facility is for the bike segment. So we'll have to see how this plays out. Thank you.
Good morning. Ramkrishna Forgings announced that it has incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary, RKFL Engineering Industry Private Limited. The subsidiary has been incorporated to implement resolution plan under corporate insolvency resolution process for JMT Auto, a unit of Amtech Auto Group. The wholly owned subsidiary will carry out the business of forging, pressing, stamping, and roll forming of metal and powder metallurgy. This is positive for the company. Thank you.
Good morning. Shiseido Asia Pacific Private Limited, which is headquartered in Singapore, has signed a strategic distribution partnership agreement with Global SS Beauty Brands, a subsidiary of Shoppers Stop, to expand its brand footprint in India. Through the partnership, Shiseido Group will launch its global makeup brand, NARS Cosmetics, which is headquartered in New York, in second half of 2023 in key cities in India. Japan-based Shiseido Company Limited is among the top 5 global beauty manufacturers, comprising of iconic skincare, makeup, and fragrance brands. So this is positive for Shoppers Stop. Thank you.
Yeah, Pattern has announced floor price for its QIP of around 450 rupees. The floor price is at around 1284. Even the CMP is also near about at 1294. So seems like already the QIP correction for the QIP has already happened in the prices. Long-term outlook for Data Pattern continue to remain positive. Valuations are a bit demanding. So if the stock corrects because of that, then it can become a more of a buying opportunity. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. So today we are likely to witness some pullback in silver if sustains above 61,500, and for trading purpose one can buy with a stop loss below 61,500, and we expect a pullback till 62,500 to 63,000 levels, whereby 63,000 again seems to be a resistance area. So again, selling pressure can be witnessed from these levels. Gold also, we expect some pullback to test the resistance level of 55,100 to 200, and again prices can witness some selling pressure So overall, on downside, 54,700 to 54,500 is where we are looking for the target. And in crude oil, 6350 seems to be a resistance area whereby one can sell and maintain a stop loss of 6410. On lower end, 6250, 6230 seems to be the target where we are looking for. And for a pullback, one can also buy from these levels, 6200, and maintain a stop loss of 6150. In natural gas, prices are consolidating after the initial rise, and we expect some pullback. So prices are supportive as long as it is holding 200 levels. So buying is recommended at 208 levels, and maintain a stop loss of 197. On the higher end, 225, 235 seems to be the target where one can take profits. In metal, uh, especially in copper, 750 seems to be the supportive area. So 750, 749, one can initiate a buy and maintain a stop loss of 744. On higher end, 758 to 62 seems to be the target, and from 62 one can also sell. Prices are expected to pull off from the resistance of 763. Uh, and in zinc, we expect some pullback. So buying at 262 is recommended and maintain a stop loss of 259. Overall, prices are expected to test 266 to 67 levels. Uh, so that's it from me, and I'll ask Utkarsh to give his view on currencies.
Good morning, everyone. In USD INR, we can expect some more downside. So once we can see some resistance around 82.25 levels, so we can short them in USD INR for the target of 81.90. In GBP INR, there is some more downside open for the target of 96.90, but there will be some sideways momentum in GBP INR. That's it. Thank you.